The ingredients for cheese omelette are 4 tomatoes, 6 eggs, salt, cheese, dhania or coriander, paprika, pepper. Chop the tomatoes into circles. Then take a bowl and then arrange the tomatoes one by one. Cut the coriander or dhania and then put the dhania in a small bowl. Beat the 6 eggs in a bowl. Add the salt, and don't worry, I'm using the African way of measuring the salt. And then add the paprika, pepper, as I'm measuring still with my eyes, so you can use a tablespoon of spoon. Whip the eggs into its form until it's suitable to cook. Pour a little bit of salt in the tomatoes, then add the whipped eggs on top of the tomatoes. Add or pour the dhania or coriander on top of the whipped eggs and tomato. At the end, take the cheese and add on top of the other ingredients. Turn on the oven at 180 and 200 Celsius. Bake it for 15 and 20 minutes. Then after the baking, remove from the oven and let it cool down as a way to serve. Now the delicious cheese omelette is ready to be served, and enjoy the delicious omelette.